Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, Fill in the Blanks. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. For sure, while watching my videos, lahat ng moments mo sa Excel, magiging aha! This is my first video and I'll start it by sharing my top 5 Excel superpowers. Basic formulas pa lang to na sobrang laking tulong sa buhay ko. Mga formula at hacks na sana noon mo pa natutunan, makikita mo sa mga videos ko. Let's go! Top 1 on my list is index plus match. Ito yung formula combo ko na ginagamit to look up values. Sa next video, I'll explain why it is on the top 1. My top 2 of course, old but gold, VLOOKUP, but you will see there's an arrow pointing out to XLOOKUP, which means siya na yung paborito ko dahil modern and cleaner version siya ng VLOOKUP. Top 3 is what I called ifs family. Kapag maraming conditions ka, ito ang best gamitin. Very logical at malinis tingnan. Ang madalas ko lang gamitin is yung tatlo. If, sum ifs, count ifs. Top 4 is the text functions. Ito ang secret ko for formatting numbers quickly or even dates based sa kung ano ang need kong outcome. And lastly, my top 5 is the end formula, also known as concatenate. Haba kasi ng concatenate kaya end lang ginagamit ko. Simple lang ng formula na to, pero super helpful pag alam mo gamitin. So yan ang top 5 Excel superpowers ko na hindi ko kayang mabuhay nang wala. Sa next videos, i-elaborate ko at isa-sample ko isa-isa since I wanted to make my videos short. Kung gusto mo pa ng more Excel tips na simple, practical at madali maintindihan, don't forget to like, follow, and click the subscribe button. See you on my second video. Bye!